Herbert Hoover was apparently a Quaker, and this is the Quaker meeting house. They used to meet in the school, but it became too crowded, and so they had to build a new place for them to meet, to have their services. So we're going to take a walk and we're going to go in. And I believe the Quakers are known as the Society of Friends. And one door's for the women, and one door is for the men. This is the Friends meeting house. Let's go in. And as I know you probably are aware, Quakers are known as, like the Mennonites and Amish, plain people. And you can see there's not a lot of religious decorations in their church. And you can see here they can close the door and shut the paneling. I'm wondering if it's to keep the men and women separated, or if they were having meetings, they could have two meetings at once. I don't know. Anybody got any ideas? Let me know. Looks like the privy back there. And this is probably, for lack of a better word, nursery. There's no signs to let me know, so I'm guessing.